Hello everyone, this is Technology Consultant channel and I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video we'll teach you how to download and install Fortnite game on PC or laptop. First of all, you have to open any browser and then you have to open incognito mode. Open google.com and then here you have to type Fortnite. Click on search. Here you will see the first link from Epic Games. You have to click on this download option and you will land here. Here you will see three options for Android, Mac and Windows. So we want to download for Windows, so we'll click on Windows option and here you can see the Epic Games Stimulator is started downloading on our PC. Once you will download Stimulator, then you have to open this one and you have to install this one. After the installation, you have to open this one and then here you will see so many login options. You can log in with any option, either Facebook, Google or Epic Games account. So we'll log in with Epic Games account. We'll give our Epic account and then you have to click on login now. So here you can see we are logged in and here you can see the Fortnite game also. So you have to click on get tab and then you have to check the terms and condition box. Click on accept. So the emulator will start downloading the Fortnite game on your PC. So once you will download all the game files, then you have to open Fortnite. So in the same way, you can also download and install Fortnite game on your laptop or PC. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.